Hey everyone, Joe back from Gorilla Joe's Reviews. Today I have a cordless vacuum cleaner from Amazon. I got this sent to me, so we're gonna get it unboxed. We'll see how this thing works. We'll see if you should get one. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so you can see when I was vacuuming the very hairy car seat, that's an extreme case. We have 3 big dogs and they have been just caking in the hair, but it did remove quite a bit of hair on that side that I vacuumed. So for a hand vacuum, this seems pretty powerful. Everyday tasks like cleaning up around the house, I think this would be really good for. If you're trying to get really set in dog hair out of a car, this might not have the power to get that out, but as you can see in the video, it did get a decent amount of dog hair off of that car seat. It just won't get the very fine stuff. But for everyday use, I think this would be a great option. I'll have to long-term test it and see how long the battery lasts and how much use you can get out of it. But with the different accessories, I think there's a lot of options you can use for this. There's a lot of different things you can do. And overall, I'm really enjoying this. So I'll definitely be putting it through a lot more tests here in the future, but I give this probably about an 8 out of 10 right now. If it removed all the dog hair, it'd probably be a 10 out of 10, but again, it's a smaller hand vacuum. It's not gonna get that real set in stuff, so it's probably closer to a 9 out of 10 because I don't know if this is made to get that bad of dog hair out of a car. But for everyday tasks, I think this would be a great purchase. Links down below if you want to get this, and also check out my Amazon shop where I have every review on there. You can see other products I've used, and if you click those links, it helps me out and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Thanks, we'll see you next time.